Hi everyone, Duane here with more Excel quick tips. Today looking at autofill features. We're using the autofill feature to fill text and numbers. In cell B4 I have JAN. If I go to the bottom right corner of that cell, I'll see a little cross there. This is the autofill handle. I'm going to hold down the mouse button and drag across to the right. And you see what happens, it increments by month. Next one is MON. I'm going to do the same thing. Autofill handle, holding down the mouse, dragging across to the right, and it increments by day. Here we have text and numbers, part 1. Filling that across, the number will increment by 1. QTR1, fill that across. It'll increment by 1 up to 4, because QTR being quarter, and then it starts again. QTR1 with no space, that works perfectly fine. Then we have 1 day. Filling that across, that works perfectly fine too. It increments by 1. But now we have 1 day. The number's on the left and there's no space. It doesn't work. Go to the next one. First time, second time, third time, etc. Now I'm going to scroll down a little bit and have a look at dates. Here we have today's date. I'm filling that across. It'll increment by 1 day at a time. The next example here has a separation of 7 days between the dates. I'll highlight them both, get the autofill handle, and fill across, and the increment will be by 7 days. You could set your own increment. Here I'm putting in today's date once again, filling that across. This time, I'll look at the bottom right corner of that selection, and I see the autofill options box. If I give that a click, I have a menu here, and I can choose the increment. I'm going by months, clicking on fill months. That will now increment by months. Scrolling down a little bit. Here in E20, I have a formula. I'm hitting the F2 key to activate that so I can see it. It is C20 plus D20, adds those two up. Clicking in that cell, getting the autofill handle, filling down. You can see you can actually fill formulas as well. Well, there's a taste of autofill features. If you have a question on that, you can contact me at info@projectexcel.com.au. If you liked it, give it a like. Maybe subscribe. That'd be wonderful. Anyway, thanks very much, everybody. I'll see you next time.